So we got our short block right here. We're going to go ahead and disassemble it. So we have our roller cam set up. Need to take that out. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep track and mark for each one of your lifters come from, your hold downs, if you plan on reusing them. In my case, I'm going to reuse them, but we're going to use a different cam, so I'm not worried about putting it back on the same cam load. Alright, so the plan right now is to tag and mark the pistons, the rods, to what cylinder in, because we're going to reuse them. So now we're going to take our stamper and this is cylinder 1 over here, so we're going to pound that with 1. This is number 2, so we're going to pound that with 2, 3, 5, 7, 4, 6, 8. So what you want to do is on these flat surfaces here, you got the top of the rod and you got the cap. You want to do both of them on the same side. That way when you put the cap back together, it goes on the same side. So I got my 2. Now we can crack these loose. Okay, so I'm going to take my brass punch, lightly tap right there, and we're going to say a prayer and hope these things don't look too bad. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to tap a little more. That's what you want to see on an engine. You want to just re-hone and use. So far we're looking good. Let's go ahead and take off our timing cover. We got a camshaft we got to get out. So there's definitely a little play in there. Alright, so we'll take our caps off. We're going to get in with a big mallet and just start swinging on it. Big old mallet, right? I like what I'm seeing. Oh man. The gift that just keeps giving. Now for the back one. Yeah, we can get it off. I do need to take this O-ring housing off the back. It's made it look worse, but it's really nice in there. That stings. Can't even get the ratchet end on it. Seven sixteenths. Guess what's coming out with the crank? Yeah, just what I expected. Nice, beautiful bearings. So we're going to rebuild this with all standard bearings and rings. We're going to give this a hone job. Okay, we're going to take out cam bearings. I popped this first one out. Okay, so we have our tool set up, our big long tool. So we're going to slide this in. And what we're looking for is we want to go in, and then we're going to tighten this up until this outer point is just big enough for the bearing. That way this piece, the outside piece, is pushing the bearing through. So we're going to hold this. I'm going to tighten this. Okay. Now we're going to take our slider here. That's going to keep us straight. I'm take my BFM here and knock it in while I'm holding this plastic alignment piece. Take your wrench, loosen this. Just going to continue to the next one. So this is how it looks on the other end. So we're going to put a tool in. We're going to twist this rod to tighten it. We're going to put our cup in there to hold it. BFM. BFM, big friendly mallet. We all need a big friendly mallet. I need to pop this freeze plug out the back. I don't know if it was designed to do that. I'm gonna try. It works. Take that as a win. Last one, guys. So we got the freeze plugs out, front, both sides. I gotta take the back ones out when I get it off the hoist. All the bearings are gone. Guess I'll take this out, block off plate. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to hone it with the dingleberry, and then we're going to wash it, I guess. Machine shop wants $300 to put it in their tank. That ain't in the budget. Alright, so I have a personal goal of when to have this done. Let's see if we can make it happen. One thing we're going to do is we are going to put our name right here on this pad. A perfect place for it. What do you think? The punchy thing stopped punching, so we're going to have to do the old-fashioned hit it with a hammer. Alright. I don't know if you can see it. Definitely got a Shady Joe on there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And stay tuned, we're going to be doing more on here. My week's kind of tied up this week, so this will be all we're going to do right now. I'll probably come out and do more later in the week, but I'll probably just get this video out with what we have right now, just disassemble of it.